Hola! In today's class, I want to teach you how to say that you want to go for a drink with someone. And a drink in Espanol is more like a beverage. Think of a beverage, and the word for a beverage is una bebida. And the word for please is por favor. So, una bebida, por favor, a drink, please. I used to teach first school children a little song to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It. And the words were una bebida por favor. I'm not going to sing it. Una bebida por favor. And then I'm thirsty. But in Espanol you don't say I'm thirsty, you say I have thirst. Thirst is sed, spelled S-E-D, sed. And I have is tengo, go. Tengo sed. I don't know why sedimentary makes me think thirsty. I think of a desert. I think of sedimentary rock in a desert and it makes me think thirsty. And those are all the words to the little song to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It. Una bebida, por favor. Imagine the tune. Imagina la melodía. Una bebida, por favor. Tengo sed. Una bebida, por favor. Right? You're going to tell somebody, in fact, that you want a drink. So the word for I want is quiero. Think yeah, and then put a k in front. Quiero. And then put an o on the end. Quiero. So I want to drink is quiero una bebida. Can you say it? Quiero una bebida. And if you want to emphasize it, you say yo quiero una bebida. Yeah, because the word for I is yo. Yeah, so I want to speak Spanish is hablar, is speak. So yo quiero hablar español. And I want to drink is yo quiero una bebida. The word for with me is conmigo. And I like that. I think it sounds nice. The word for with you is contigo. So you're learning to hablar español conmigo. How do you say, I want a drink with you? Use contigo. Yo quiero una bebida contigo. Right? And you could say, if you want, por favor. The drinks you might like to go for, a coffee is un café, a tea is un té, and an orange juice. You start with the word orange, and it's not norange, it's not naranj, it's naranja. It's spelt N-A-R-A-N-J-A. So that J-A on the end makes a ha. Naranja. It's funny. Naranja. And they say a juice of orange. In España, they say un zumo de naranja. They might lisp it. There are some diferencias between español en España and español en America Latina. But they're mutually intelligible, like the Americans, los americanos, los norteamericanos, the North Americans say movie, and in Gran Bretaña, Great Britain, at least we used to, say film. But they're mutually intelligible. So in España, an orange juice, you can imagine it, zoom de orange, zumo de naranja, or if they lisp, zumo de naranja. In America Latina, its juice is jugo. But let's use the word that they use en España, zumo de naranja. Now you can imaginar una conversación. How do you say, I want a drink with you? Quiero una bebida contigo. And then you can imaginar your amigo asking un café, un té, and you'd say no, an orange juice, which is no, un zumo de naranja. And that's it for today. The word for until tomorrow is hasta mañana, 2 words. And the word for goodbye is adios. Hasta mañana. Adios.